Now we have all the content we need on our Prezi. We have a video, we have some text, pictures, topics, subtopics. So we are ready to animate the content. Let's start from the overview. If we look carefully, we see that there is already an animation on our overview, but actually we didn't use any animations. So why is there an animation? Let's click on Show Animations and have a look at the right side menu that opens. First thing, let's analyze it. When we go to this side, we see that the animations in this case are the animation we find on the overview, and they appear at the beginning of this Prezi. The animation we have is a zoom to video, but we didn't use a zoom to video. This kind of animation automatically appears when we insert a video. If we want to have extra time before the video starts, we need to insert an animation. So how can we do that? We click once on the video and we select it. Then we go to the right side menu and we click on plus and we choose the fade in animation. Okay. This way we see we have another animation here. We can see the progression, the list. We can see here there are two animations. But of course the sequence is not right. We need to move the fade in animation to the first place. So I click on the animation, I drag the animation to the first place and I drop the animation. In this case, I have the right sequence. I can preview the animation by clicking on the play button here, like this, and like this, of course. You see, right? Or I can see if the sequence is correct by clicking on Present. And then I go on with my presentation. Good. At this point, I would like to show you one more thing. If you look at the bottom here of the right side menu, you can see that after the video, the next transition is to the first topic. That's to say, why. But if you move from the video to why, we may lose the consciousness of where we are inside the presentation. So my suggestion is we should add a further animation to our overview. That's to say, from the video, I would like to add an extra animation. That's to say, well, I don't select anything. I stay on the overview. I click on the plus button here and I select zoom out to overview. This way, there is a third animation on our overview and we go back to our presentation. So we are totally aware of where we are and we can move to the first topic. We click on Present and then we see the result. This is the first slide with the overview. Then we make the video appear. We zoom to the video. We go back to the overview and the next step is towards the first topic, like this. After animating the overview, we animate the first topic. We select the picture, we click on plus, we click on fade in, and there is the first animation. We go to the subtopics and we follow the same procedure. Oh, here there is an animation already. So if we don't need this animation, we simply click on the animation here and we press on the backspace on our keyboard like this, and we cancel the animation. In this case, I need to add the animation as well. I select fade in, I go back to Y, I go to the second subtopic, I select the picture, I click on the plus button, and I select fade in. It's always the same procedure, very, very simple. We go back to the overview and we go to animate the second topic. Let's start with these two words. I start with animation, click fade in, content plus fade in. Okay, at this point, if I realize the order is wrong, I can click on this animation and I can drag it and move it to the first place so that the order is correct now. Then I go to animate the first subtopic here. I animate text, pictures, and video. Now let's go to the last subtopic. And here I would like to show you the fade in animation like this, the fade out animation like this, the zoom in animation, zoom to like this, okay, the zoom out animation, let's say zoom to the subtopic like this, and the zoom area. Okay, in this case, if we add a zoom area, you see that a rectangle appears, and I can place the rectangle wherever I like. I can resize the rectangle, okay? And if I want to focus on a particular area, okay, I can move the rectangle and I can resize it. I can also rotate it. Then, after this, we can make the fade out word expression appear again. So we can add, oh, I'm sorry, there's a mistake. I added the wrong. I select this one and I select fade in. Let's zoom in, let's zoom out, the zoom area, and fade out. Okay, very good. At this point, if we go to, what is this? If we go to this subtopic here, okay, if we go here, we can choose to insert an extra, a last animation. That's to say, the zoom out to subtopic, like this. And then we go back to the first topic and to the overview. Let's see the result. Okay, the video. From the overview, we go to the first topic, animations, fade in, content, right order, text, pictures, and then let's see fade in, fade out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom area, fade in animation, zoom out to the subtopic. I think the result is quite good.